Hello guys, I'm speaking. Today we are going to talk about how to install, how to set up and how to use it, the new XTURBO Auto Trader. You see here that in this chart I have it open. XTURBO Trader is the original name, but this is of course Extra Advisor or Auto Trader. We have one trade running here. About 15 minutes ago, the trade was open, you see, and this is on M5 time frame. $0.29 lot size. We can check properties. I take 2% of my initial on my deposit, so risk percent 2, I put 2. So the software will calculate according your account size the number and according your take profit and stop loss. Software will calculate lot size and it will risk only maximum, it will risk only 2% of your account size. So it's very good way to use it. Don't think about your which kind of lot size you will use. Just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% of your lot size of your account size and it will automatically calculate it. Also here we have in properties we have trailing stop 15. This is trailing stop, this is stop loss, and of course take profit. So now the trailing stop has been opened, you see here. So what that means, just to show you in live trading, and later I will explain how to install the files and set it up. So this is sell, trade, this is take profit, but in some moment which you will put in here, let's see, take profit 20, trailing stop 15. So 20 pips is here, but at 15 pips here the trailing stop has been opened and it is now here. So what does it mean? It means that you cannot lose that trade anyway. If it goes back, it will close here, and you will make 2.2 pips or $6. So you cannot lose this trade anymore. This is a protection. You protect your money here with this trailing stop. If this in any reason go up, not until the profit line, you will not be losing anything, you will even earn some money. So this is all included in this software. So forget this, let's go to show you how to set it up to new account. So you open a new account and you want to install the files. So this is what you will have to do. You first have to go to File, Open Data Folder, and then these files which are on your MT4 account, your broker, your account. So this is on this. And here you are going to install all the files you will get. So you will be getting 3 kinds of files. First of all, you will get these 5. You see, these 5. And These 5 will be you go to copy, X4 files, you go to copy, and then you open MQL and simply go to indicators. They are already here. Simply go here and paste it. I will not paste, I can, okay, but it will, you see, I have a double now. You see, I have a double, but nevertheless, okay. So this is the first 5 which you will be getting. I delete it. It's enough to have this 5. Then, sorry for it. Then you are going to your files. When you get it on email, you will get the files. You will put it, I don't know, in your documents or any file. You go to this file and then you take XTURBO, which you will get. You copy and put it here. Go back one step and put it in experts. You see in experts. Right click, paste. Because I have it, we can replace it. We have it already. And the final you will get also the template file. It's very important to copy it because you have here all set up, all values, all settings are here in this template. So you copy template, go here, go back one step, another step, and you will see templates. So go here, right click, paste. We already have, but I will take it again. So I think that we have all now. Yes, exit all the files. So they are all here, but they are not activated. So you must go to here and refresh your files. Refresh. So you will see them here. They are here. And Expert Advisor is here. So what you have to do now is go to your templates, right click, you see, XTURBO Trader. Open it. We are now on GBP USD 15 minutes. You see this face which is not smiling. Why? You have enabled this to green and you see this. And this is now in the function. This is now in the function. You see these signs, I will explain you. So then, right click, Expert Advisor, Properties. Here you can see all, you must be careful to click on, like I clicked here, allow live trading, enable alerts, DLL, and this. But you go to inputs, and here it's all set it up as I am using, but you can set it up as you wish. Let's go for the beginning. Use trading time, I put it on false because I want to trade that auto trader trades 24 hours a day. If you want to make your trading time, start time, let's say 9, end time 23, this is London and New York session, you put it to true. You see? Take profit, it's your to decide. Stop loss, it's your trailing stop, it's your to decide. I just have it showed here what is the function of this. So take profit, you know what's the function. My advice is that if you trade small time frames, you use small take profit that you finish as soon as possible. So about 20 pips maximum, maybe even 15. Stop loss take profit you can use like this, and trailing stop must be lower than take profit. So if it's 15, like here, you see it will open when the price reach 15. If you put 10 here, 10 pips, then trailing stop will open about here. It's all up to you. Fixed lot size, you see, it's 0. If you know that you want to use some certain exact number, you can put it here. So pip size, one lot size, sorry, not pips. But then risk percentage must be 0. See, this must be 0 if you want to use this fixed lot size. If you let here, let's say 2%, 2, then the software will use this, not this. So it will be used risk percent to 2 point. So if you want to use this, you put number. If you want to use this, then this must be 0. So, but it's up to you what you want. Let's see that we want to trade with one lot, so we put here 0. Custom magic means that if you trade many pairs, each pair must have a different custom magic number. So here, this is GBP USD M15, it's 1. If we open Euro USD, we put any different number, 2, 4, 10, 175. Only important is the numbers are different. Email alerts, if you want to use it, sound alerts, notification, it's up to you. Now we have one interesting thing. Show filters. You see, this is the filters. If you want to see, let's maybe change it to, I will change it to maybe we have some filters. No, let's go to M1. Let's Euro USD maybe on 5 minutes, 15 minutes. USD JPY. No, we don't have good setups here. But nevertheless, so we're going in templates, in expert advisors, properties. So if you do not want to see this filter, where is the filter? Sorry, show filters. If you put this to false, you will not see this. You do not need it. But if you want some info, like you have here, to see, the trade was taken because all 5 confirmation was okay for sell. 1, 2, 3, all 5 must be on, that you get a trade here. But if you want to see it, make filters, you put it on true. Now we have all 5. So this is another thing here, very interesting. For you which want to have maybe more trades per day, you can say, oh, I do not want this, let's say XTURBO confirmation. I do not want that this is confirming. I need only 3 confirmation, 4 confirmations. So you just put this off or false or any of this, and you will not see it here, and you will have many more trades because there is no 5 confirmations anymore, then only 4 or 3 or 2. Only this you cannot turn off. This is XTURBO. This is an trigger. This is an arrow which is showing, not repeated arrow, which you could see in my XTURBO video. And when this XTURBO comes, this arrow, it needs 4 confirmations, which are there, here. And NeuroTurbo, this is future price predictor. This is HMM, this is a line, which must be in some color to confirm it. This is border lines, this is channel in which if the price is out of this channel, it will take a trade. And this is XTURBO also. You can see confirmation of XTURBO. It must be under some position to be confirmed. So we set it up to all 4, plus of course the trigger, the arrow. You can play with this for more trades, but I warn you, as lower number of these confirmations you will have, the trade is not as safe as you have 4. The accuracy is maybe lower than it will be with 4 confirmations. So use it all if you want safe trades, not so many, but safe. But it's all up to you. You can check it on demo, and this is all up to you. So this is how to set it up. You can open then with just open, let's say, some pair Australian dollar, right click, template, and always you will open it with template. You will not, you see, you will not put it manually from here one by one. You will not put it manually. You see, where is expert advisor? Here. It's here. It's not good to put it manually. Yes, you can, but you must set it up all from the beginning. Now, with right click, template, with this template, XTURBO Trader version 1, you just click it and you have all set it up. And you just have to wait for the trades. So that's it, guys. That's it. You see, the trade was closed because it touched our trailing stop. You can use it on all time frames except M1. I suppose the best one, in my experience, are higher time frames, like M1 or 4-hour daily. As higher time frame you will be using, you will have less trades, but with much more money inside. If you want more to scalp, maybe use M5, M15, but then please, if you're using M5 and M15, please then use for scalping smaller take profits, stop loss maybe 20 maximum or 15. But if you're using it on 4-hour or daily, then use, it's up to you, I am saying, but you can use 40 pips or 100 pips or anything you like. But it's all up to you. I cannot teach you because I don't know what are your what is your balance, initial deposit, what are your expectations, do you want to earn slowly and safely, or do you want to risk higher lot size, you see one maybe, or you are very safe and conservative, you just put 2%, 2 points of risk, and you will never lose more than 2% of your balance. So it's many elements here. So the best thing is that you open a demo and demo at least few weeks to see what is your best combination, what you expect for trading, higher time frames, what lot size you will use, what currency pairs, and many things. If you want to stop auto trader to trade, just click here, and all of this will stop because auto trading is off. You see here, all of this is stopped. Click it on, and smiley face is here, and you can expect the trades to be open. You see here we have non-min XTURBO is trigger. There is no arrow. That means no arrow, no trigger. If you have this buy, all this must be buy, that trader will open the trade. You see here we have a trade opened and finishing the money. For now it's non-sell, buy, non-sell. It's Friday afternoon and we cannot expect many trades. Today, you see, sell, sell, sell. So we have a trigger, we have arrow for sells, bands, sell, HMA buy, buy, so it's not ready to be taken a trade. So guys, it's a very complex system, software. I need many times to prepare it, to code it, because of this five confirmation, 5 elements which must be set up that the auto trader take a trade. So if you want more trades, open more pairs, open daily all kind of pairs to see what is best for you. Guys, I hope you are satisfied with this video. It was pretty long. I want to explain you as much as I can in one video of 20-25 minutes. At the end, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will show you almost every day. Today is Friday, so from Monday every day examples of trade and tips and tricks, so you can use it in the best way. And finally, the last, please, today still you can use a pre-order price 40% off for this premium XTURBO trader. And at the very end, I wish you to have a nice weekend, to rest good, and see you next week again. Bye bye guys.